Hi guys, we are going to try to fix this TV. Well, the problem is with this TV is that it won't show a picture. So let's get straight into it. That won't work. This TV, I think it needs a bath. We've got an entire water jug. First, do not try this at home. How do you like your bath, mister?
What's that?
This is a sledgehammer. That didn't do any damage. Now let's get the actual destroyer out.
Is it not fixed yet, Si?
Nope, I think this might need a brick. You ready, guys? Yep, that did my shit.
Has it fixed it? Put it around there.
Nope. That did some damage. Drop
I think
some
it's
more.
getting there, Si. It's nearly fixed.
No, it isn't. Let's see what's inside this TV. Get wet.
Give me a hammer.
Okay.
Here, here. Stand back.
Okay, guys. Well, we've got some big power here. So now, all we have to do. One sec, guys. Let me just play for.
So, should we try this at home?
No, do not.
Never?
Never.
Okay.
You could get hurt. I'm going to play some Fortnite quickly. Oh, I died. Oh, I hate this game.
Ooh. Uh-oh.
Dad, just take it out. Well,
What's underneath
TV's
it?
pretty smashed. Let me just get it back in place. Hey, it's not possible, so let's just go like this. Say bye-bye, Mr. TV.
Bye-bye. Ooh.
Wait, we still... Dad, can you move this TV bit away?
Yes.
Just put that down there. We're going to move We've got both layers. We've got the top TV and the bottom, like just the normal TV. My dad's lifting this first bit off. Don't need it. Okay, which one?
Are you sure you're going to be able to fix this, Si? Because it looks a little bit broken at the minute. You sure you can put it back together, yeah?
I think I can. Okay. Yeah, I think I can fix this now. Dad, if you stop whipping it, I can fix it.
Okay.
Oh, I actually did some damage. Okay. Drop some more bricks.
Ooh. Stand back. Stand back, big one.
Thanks, Dad. Oh. Please do not try this at home. Please, just do not. I'm going to aim for these couple dots.
So you can be able to fix this TV, yeah?
Yep.
It looks like this bit's coming off now. Look.
Who wants to see what's inside of the TV? Ooh, I never saw this. Let's actually fix this up now.
So what's on this bit side?
I'm trying to fix it up, guys. Now we're going to go on the other side. Countdown, Dad!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh.
Take that brick off for me. Should I pour water on the back?
Stand back, stand back, stand back.
Should I pour water on it?
I reckon so. Should fix it then.
I think I've got the solution to fix it. Let's get ready for some shower. That did not fix it. Really missed the TV.
Careful, don't do that. No. No.
This is a face reveal. But this is not my actual face. I'm just showing my face with like.
Well, I reckon we can probably say that's fixed, Si. What do you reckon?
Guy, I'm gonna try fix it some more. But guys, if you hit me 1,000 subscribers, I will go live and tell you some secrets. So, like and subscribe, do it. Or nothing will happen to you. But if you like and subscribe, you'll get a cookie. So let's go!
Go on, Si. Hit it.
Ah! Where's your brick? This is what I call the Mr. Brick. Well, after Mr. Hammer. Oh, that actually broke some. That won't work. Double boys. Do not try this at home because you could get smacked with one of these. This TV